You are of importance. Please don't ever forget that. You may have felt that other people were pushed to the front before you, but Spirit is urging you not to fixate and focus on why others gain things that you may feel that you have not gained. You don't know what's going on behind the scenes. Some people may have stooped to underhanded means to get to where they are. Spirit is saying that your path is different. You don't have to manipulate or trick or do anything deceitful to get to where you want to go. It has been a slow and steady road for you, and you are met with a lot of frustrations, a lot of blockages, a lot of restrictions, and you're fed up. And I get that. I understand. We've all been there. But Spirit is asking you to see why things have been delayed. Because if you had gotten the things that you want much sooner, then for some of you, maybe you will not have appreciated what you were giving. For others of you, Spirit is saying that some of the things that you wanted weren't good enough for you, quite simply. It may not seem like that now, or it may not have seemed like that in the past, but you are on your way for something victorious. You are on your way to achieve something that could actually help others. You are going to be the catalyst of change, not just for yourself, but for your whole lineage. You're strong, you're powerful. The reason why things have come to you in a slow and steady way is because there's so much for you to learn along the way. You are the type of person that should work alone. I'm not saying you can't work with others, but you are the type of person to run your own business. You are the type of person that should be in a leadership position. Some of you are actually in a leadership position, and that is where you belong, but you feel like you should be much further ahead than you are now. And Spirit is saying, just take your time. Everything you want will come to you in due course. Don't rush. You are so talented. You have so much skills and abilities that for some of you, you actually sleep on. But your skills and abilities were gifted to you from your ancestors for you to use them, for you to utilize them, for you to bless others with your magic. You are of magic. You will make a fantastic partner to someone one day. For some of you, you are already in a relationship and your partner actually adores you. You are their dream come true, and you will be someone's dream come true one day. Some of you are thinking, why have I not met my person? The reason is because you possess so much love, so much care, so much compassion, and Spirit doesn't want you to gift to others that do not deserve you. And I know it may be hard to hear, but it is the truth. And for the time being, Spirit wants you to gift yourself with love, with care, with attention, with compassion, with empathy. You haven't been focusing on what you need to focus on. Some of you have projects, some of you have courses, some of you have work to do. And you've been worrying. You've been worrying about not being able to fulfill what you want to fulfill. Some of you have given up, or you feel like you're on the brink of giving up. The Spirit is asking you not to. By all means, take a break, but then get back on the horse. It's time to step out into the world and show the world who you really are. And who you really are is a star. You shine brightly. Your skills and your talents are unmatched. You are of importance. Everyone is important, but you are so high vibing. Your energy is so healing. Your talents are otherworldly. And you have so much love to offer, so much love to give. You are the embodiment of love. You connect with so much people, even people that you've just met. People feel like you are their family. Your family adore you. If you have children, they adore you also. You want the best for others, and now it's time for you to gain the very best. You're going to be very busy. There's going to be a lot of phone calls, a lot of messages that you are going to have to reply to. Some of you are waiting on a job offer. Some of you are wanting to travel overseas. I feel that you have been playing down your skills, your attributes, who you really are. Not wanting people to see the heart of you. You're not a joke. You're the truth. You're strong, you're powerful, you're magnificent. People are in awe of you. Some of you are going to have a glow up. And I feel like this glow up is going to come from within. It's going to be a time where you're going to see and feel how important you really are. Those that have tried to downplay you, those that have tried to hide who you are, those that have tried to look down upon you, will not be able to do so no more. You see, they know who you are, but they were comfortable in the fact of you not knowing who you are. It's time to move forward. Stop being stagnant. Give yourself permission to get the best out of life, because you are so deserving. And you're going to start to see all your manifestations coming into fruition, because you are deserving, and you are important, and you are loved, and you are loved.